What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Welcome to vlog 10. We're in double digits now. Come here Matthew.
What's up guys? Welcome to vlog 10.
Matthew's still here. Still here. Dan, come here, come say hi. Where are we?
Waterfall Country.
Waterfall Country. Brecon Beacons.
What's up guys?
Are you taking a piss? Right, we'll start the vlog again then, shall we? Hi.
Hi.
Thanks for coming out.
Welcome.
Hi.
Welcome to vlog 10.
No, that's too. No, you're not monotone enough. Start again.
Hi. Subscribe
Alright guys.
to vlog 10. Let's get on some B-roll. Right, we saw a cool waterfall. We took some cool Instagram shots. Somebody is hungry. Surprise, surprise.
And apparently Tesco's have stopped doing the chicken stuff.
So
Don't in Stroud.
we're gonna head back to the car and find some food and see if we have any time left in the day to go find something else or do something else. See you in a bit.
Carvery.
Right, we're at a different part of Waterfall Country now. We're in a different car park, different place. And I'm trying to find something. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Well, I will because it's a cave. But I don't know whether we'll actually be able to find it because, yeah, I'm not good with this stuff. I don't have much luck. So, yeah, let's try find a cave. A cave.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a little path there. Should we go down this little path?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, my foot's wet. Fuck it, they're wet. Oh, they're so wet and cold. It was bound to happen because of the rain. How crazy was that last one just down there?
Good. Scary good though, like
Yeah.
you won't want to go down it, it's going
No.
far too fast.
So it's a whole cave system, but at the moment because of the rain it's just full of like a fast flowing river. We've got wet feet, so
Well, Matt doesn't.
Matt doesn't. So we're gonna jump back in the car, put trainers on, get some warm feet, head home, and then me and Matt are probably going to the gym later. We'll end the vlog, maybe, I don't know, we'll figure that bit out. Now we've just got to walk up this.
Don't end it yet,
No?
because we might come across something else.
Alright. Right, catch us in a bit. Bye. Right. Me and Matt are going gym. Gym. We definitely will not be doing any talking in the gym. So, ow. So, ambiance. Let's roll on. We might not even be rolling in the gym, but we might. So, you know.
Well, I might.
Vlog magic, innit? This is a proper shit way to end the vlog. Us two little skinny runts doing weights.
Well, you're not that skinny, are you? I'm actually skinny. That's actually offensive to me because I actually am skinny. You are not skinny, right?
Let's go. Boys. Right. Whoa. Echo. Me and Matt had done at the gym. That was a really enjoyable session because, like, it's so much better training with someone.
Yeah, and I've learned a lot.
You've learnt a lot.
Yeah.
You've learnt that you want to start coming to the gym.
Yeah.
Sick. Look out for a Matthew Murray BeFit Instagram page.
Yeah.
Talking about Instagram pages, Matt took some great shots for my fitness one, so I'll link that below if you want to go follow it. That'd be awesome. Apart from that, we're going to end the vlog there. So thanks for watching. We've got some good stuff planned this week, haven't we?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Is it camping or hiking?
Camping, hiking, challenges. We're going to walk to Oxford, maybe, or London. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's going to be good. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.